Question number 61. To save fuel, to avoid air pollution and for good health, two persons A and B ride bicycle for distance of 12 km to each their office. As the cycling speed of B is 2 km per hour more than that of A, B takes 30 minutes less than that of A to reach the office. Find the time taken by A and B to reach the office. Here, the speed of B is 2 km per hour more than that of A. As the speed increases, time taken decreases. Then, the time taken by B decreases how much? It is 30 minutes less than that of A. So, let us take the speed of A is x, then the speed of B becomes x plus 2 because it is 2 km per hour is more. Here, if you take A speed x, then the time taken by A becomes to cover 12 km, time taken by A is 12 by x. And B speed is, it is A speed, B speed is 2 km per hour more means it is x plus 2. Then the time taken by B is 12 by x plus 2. Here time taken by A is more than the time taken by B. How much more? 30 minutes more. Means B's time taken is 30 minutes less. A's time minus B's time is equals to what? 30 minutes. So 30 minutes means you must convert that into hours. 30 by 60 which is equals to 1 by 2. So let us write, let cycling speed of A equals x. Let A's cycling speed equals x kilometer per hour. Let us write x only. Then time taken by A is 12 by x. Consider this is first one. It is the time taken by A. And cycling speed of B. B's cycling speed is x plus 2. Time taken by B is is 12 by x plus 2. Consider this is the second time. And B takes 30 minutes less means first time minus second time is equals to 30 minutes. Time taken by A minus time taken by B is equals to 30 minutes. That is 12 by x minus 12 by x plus 2 equals 30 minutes means 30 by 60 hour. Here you take the LCM. LCM of x and x plus 2 is x into x plus 2. Then 12 into x plus 2 minus 12 into x. That is 12x equals 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 2 equals 1 by 2. Then you multiply x plus 2 by 12. 12 into x, 12x plus 12 into 2, 24 minus 12x equals by x into x, x square plus x into 2, 2x equals 1 by 2. Now you do the cross multiplication. Here you can cancel 12x and 12x. Then what is remaining? 24. 24 into 2 equals 1 into x square plus 2x. X square plus 2x. 24 2s are 48. 48 equals 1 into x square plus 1 into 2x, 2x. Now interchange x square plus 2x and 48 to get the standard form. X square plus 2x equals 48 and transfer this 48 to the LHS. Then you will get x square plus 2x minus 48 equals 0. Here you got the standard form of the quadratic equation and factorize the LHS by taking sum and product. Product is x square into minus 48. Product equals x square into minus 48 is equals to minus 48 x square and the sum is 2x. Sum equals 2x. Here minus 48 x square is to be split into two factors. Minus 48 x square, as it is having negative sign, the factors are having different sign. The greater factor is having the sign of the middle term, that is plus. So the factors are having plus and minus, and the difference is 2 means 8 6 8x minus 6x. Then you write here, write x square as it is plus 2x is plus 8x minus 6x and write this minus 48 as it is equals 0. Now out of these two remove common, x into x plus 8 minus, here 6 is common, minus 6 into x plus 8 equals 0. Then the common factor is x plus 8. X plus 8 and in the bracket x minus 6. In the other bracket x minus 6 equals 0. Now equate each factors to 0. X plus 8 equals 0 or x minus 6 equals 0. X equals 0 minus 8. Here x equals 0 plus 6. X equals minus 8. X equals 6. We have to consider the positive one because that is A is cycling speed. A is cycling speed. We have taken x. X, that is 6 kilometer per hour. B is cycling speed. X plus 2, that is 6 plus 2 equals 8 kilometer per hour. Here we got the speed of A and speed of A. Next, find time taken by A. Time taken by A equals what? 12 by 6 equals 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 hours. And time taken by B is equals to 12 by 8, That is 4 2s are 4 3s are 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5 hour, 1.5 hours.